So see the another question. Find dy by dx when y is equal to sine inverse 2 to the power x plus 1 divided by 1 plus 4x. This is given y is equal to sine inverse 2 to the power 2 to the power x plus 1 by 1 plus 4 to the power x. Just simplify 2 to the power x plus 1 should written as 2 into 2 to the power x, and 4 to the power x is 2 to the power x whole square. So y should now sine inverse 2 into 2 to the power x divided by 1 plus 2 to the power x whole square. Now apply substitution and put 2 to the power x is equals to tan theta. So this question now reduces to y is equals to sine inverse 2 tan theta divided by 1 plus tan square theta. Students, in 11 you have read the formula of sine 2 theta in form of tan, which is 2 tan theta, which is 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta becomes sine 2 theta. So write it, y is equal to sine inverse sine 2 theta. Now eliminate sine inverse and sine. So finally we have 2 theta. Hence we have y is equals to 2 theta, and according to our supposition theta is equal to tan inverse 2 to the power x. Differentiate each of the term. Since y is a function of here, y is a function of theta, so on differentiation we will get dy upon d theta, which is 2. Here this is function of theta and x, so on differentiation we will get d theta by dx. Differentiation of tan inverse x 1 bata 1 plus x square, so it should be 1 bata 1 plus 2x to the power square. Now differentiation of 2 to the power x, you know differentiation of a to the power x is equals to a to the power x log a. So differentiation of 2 to the power x, here a is 2, so it should be 2 to the power x log 2. This is value of d theta by dx, 2 to the power x log 2 upon 1 plus 4 to the power x. Now multiply both of them. After multiplication we will get dy by dx. Here dy by d theta into d theta by dx is equals to 2 into 2 to the power x log 2 by 1 plus 4x. After cancellation it becomes dy bata dx, and 2 into 2 to the power x should multiply on the same base, you know power is added, so it becomes 2 to the power x plus 1 log 2 upon 1 plus 4 to the power x. This is differentiation of such type of problems. See next question. If y is equals to e to the power cos inverse x, y is equal to e to the power cos inverse under root 1 minus x square, then find the dy by dx or differentiate it. What is given? Y is equal to e to the power cos inverse under root 1 minus x square. See carefully, this is a question of function. First differentiate them. This y becomes dy by dx, and here just write d by dx of e to the power cos inverse under root 1 minus x square. Now write according to channel, according to function of function. How we write? See, dy upon dx is equals to d of e cos inverse x. I have already told in previous classes, left one term means first term, so left e, then this should be d cos inverse under root 1 minus x square. This d cos inverse 1 minus x square should multiply to numerator and left another term cos inverse, it reduces to d of under root 1 minus x square. Again it comes to numerator d of under root 1 minus x square. Here root will be eliminated, d of 1 minus x square which is left, and finally d into 1 minus x square upon power be eliminated, then it becomes dx. That is our chain. Now write down the value of differentiation of each left term, that is here is e. So differentiation of e to the power x with respect to x is e to the power x. Here instead of x we have cos inverse under root 1 minus x square. So the value of this term should be e to the power cos inverse 1 minus x square into differentiation of cos inverse x is minus 1 bata 1 plus under root 1 minus x square. Cos differentiation of cos inverse x is minus 1 bata under root 1 minus x square. Put accordingly formula. Here x is the whole term under root 1 minus x square. So minus 1 bata under root 1 minus square of this term should be 1 minus x square. Now come here, differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x and differentiation of 1 is 0 and x square is 2x, so it should be minus 2x. See the value of this term. Open the bracket, 1 and 1 should be cancelled. Minus and minus becomes positive plus. So square root of x square is x. So see here how we write. Minus and minus together becomes plus x. This value is also x into 1 bata under root 1 minus x square, and this term will remain same. X and x should cancel, becomes 1. So finally we have e to the power cos inverse under root 1 minus x square by under root 1 minus x square. This is the differentiation of such type of pattern. Now see some more question. See question, if y is equal to tan inverse under root 1 plus sin x plus under root 1 minus sin x divided by under root 1 plus sin x minus under root 1 minus sin x, then find dy by dx. First apply trigonometry and see the value of under root 1 plus sin x. 1, you already know sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. So here we write sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 for 1 and expand sin x according to the formula of sin 2 theta, which should be 2 sin theta into cos theta, and put 2 theta is equal to x. Put 2 theta is equals to x, then theta should be x by 2. So these 3 terms a square plus b square plus 2ab becomes a plus b whole square, and its square root will be a plus b, that is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. Similarly, for under root 1 minus sin x, it should be written as cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2 minus 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2, accordingly previous one. The result will be cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Now use these two values in the question. So according to question, we have y is equal to tan inverse cos x by 2, that is under root 1 plus sin x, plus sin x by 2 divided by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. Now divide numerator and denominator by cos x by 2. So y is equals to tan inverse, this reduces to 1 plus tan x by 2 divided by 1 minus tan x by 2. So after simplification, students, just trigonometrical simplification, this reduces to more simpler form, that is y is equal to tan inverse, this becomes tan pi by 4 plus x by 2. Tan and tan inverse be eliminated. Finally we have left y is equals to pi by 4 plus x by 2. Now differentiate both sides with respect to x. Then we have dy by dx. Differentiation of pi by 4 is 0 because it is constant, plus x by 2. Differentiation of x by 2 is 1 by 2 into x, and differentiation of x is 1. So finally we will get dy by dx is equals to 1 by 2, which is your result. See one more question regarding condition. Differentiate, or if y is equal to dy tan inverse under root a minus x upon a plus x, where x lies between minus a and plus a, find dy by dx. So first apply the suitable substitution according to formula. Put x is equal to a cos theta, then y should equals to tan inverse under root a minus a cos theta divided by a plus a cos theta. Now take a as common in numerator as well as denominator. So these a should be cancelled. A should taken as common, then a2 should be cancelled. How much left? 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So y should now equals to tan inverse under root 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. You already know the formula of cos 2 theta. We have solved so many problems. 1 minus cos 2 theta, 1 minus cos 2 alpha, I am writing here. 1 minus cos 2 alpha is 2 sin square alpha. 1 minus cos 2 alpha is 2 sin square alpha, and put 2 alpha is equal to theta, then alpha is equal to theta by 2. 2 alpha is equal to theta, then theta is equal to alpha by 2. So this becomes under root 2 sin square theta by 2. Similarly, in denominator 1 plus cos theta is 2 cos square theta by 2. Again 2 and 2 should cancel here. Now find out a square root. Sin square theta by 2 should equal to sin theta by 2, and cos square theta by 2 will be cos theta by 2, and sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 becomes tan theta by 2. So finally we have y is equals to tan inverse tan theta by 2. Now use the condition whatever be given. Minus a less than x less than a means x lies between minus a and plus a. We have taken x as a cos theta, so minus a less than a cos theta less than a, divide by a, divide each of by a. So this becomes minus 1. Here cos theta is left, this is 1. Means cos theta lies between minus 1 and 1. So theta lies between 0 to pi, that is in first and second quadrant. And our problem regarding to theta by 2, so theta by 2 lies between 0 to 90 degree. In first quadrant, each is positive, or all t ratios is positive, you know it. So now come to question. Y is equals to tan inverse tan theta by 2. Tan inverse and tan eliminated, so it becomes theta by 2. 1 by 2, and calculate the value of theta from here. Cos theta is x by a, cos theta is x by a, so theta is equal to cos inverse x by a. Now differentiate it. dy by dx should equals to 1 by 2 is already here. Cos inverse x minus 1 bata under root x square minus a square. So it is minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square upon a square, and differentiation of x upon a is 1 upon a. Now take the LCM of denominator, which is a square. Outside square root, this LCM becomes a, and as it is denominator of denominator, so it shifted to numerator. So see here what is written: minus 1 by 2 a under root a square minus a square into 1 by a. Further a and a should cancel. Finally we have minus 1 upon 2 under root a square minus x square, which is differentiation of the given problem tan inverse under root a minus x into a plus x. That's all your differentiation of inverse function. Next day we will start differentiation of implicit function. Thank you. Hello, good afternoon students. Today I am here some more problems for differentiation of inverse trigonometrical function. See the first question. If y is equal to tan inverse under root a minus root x divided by 1 plus root a into x, then find dy by dx. Apply substitution first. Put root a is equal to tan alpha and root x is equal to tan theta. Then this question reduces to y is equals to tan inverse tan alpha minus tan theta divided by 1 plus tan alpha into tan theta. So tan a minus tan b divided by 1 plus tan a into tan b. This is formula for tan a minus b. So this should be tan inverse tan alpha minus theta. Tan inverse and tan b omitted, only left y is equals to alpha minus theta. Now write down the value of alpha. See, root a is equal to tan alpha, so alpha is equal to tan inverse root a. Similarly, theta is equals to tan inverse root x. Now differentiate them with respect to x. So since root a is constant, so differentiation of tan inverse root a will be 0, and differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 bata 1 plus x square, so it is 1 bata 1 plus root x square, which is x. Again differentiation of root x, which is 1 bata 2 root x. So finally dy by dx is equals to minus 1 upon 2 root x into 1 plus x. See another form, another question. If y is equals to tan inverse 5x bata 1 minus 6x square, then find dy by dx. See here, 6 has two factors, 2 and 3, whose sum is 5. So convert them. Y is equal to tan inverse 5x should be written as 3x plus 2x divided by 1 minus 3x into 2x, which is again tan inverse a plus b by 1 minus a into b, means tan inverse a plus tan inverse b. Now differentiate again with respect to x, then it should be dy upon dx, and differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 bata 1 plus x square, so this should be 9x square, and differentiation of 3x will be 3. So 3 upon 1 plus 9x square. On the other side, 1 bata 1 plus x square, that is 1 plus 4x square, and differentiation of x is 2. So finally dy by dx would be written as 3 upon 1 plus 9x square plus 2 upon 1 plus 4x square. There is no any advantage for further simplification, so this should be your result. The next question on the same pattern, see, if y is equal to tan inverse ax minus b upon bx plus a, then find dy by dx. So what is given? Y is equal to tan inverse ax minus b upon bx plus a. Now divide numerator and denominator both by a. After division it should be x minus b upon a. Here b upon a into x plus a. Just rearrange the terms. So y should equals to tan inverse x minus ba, that is same. Here 1 plus x into b upon a. Now this reduces to the same pattern as discussed in previous problem. So it is tan inverse a minus b upon 1 plus a into b form. So it should be tan inverse x minus tan inverse b upon a. Now differentiate each of them, means both side, with respect to x. So differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 bata 1 plus differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 bata 1 plus x square, and this b and a remains constant, so, and hence differentiation of constant is 0. So result is 0. So finally dy by dx is 1 upon 1 plus x square. In this way we differentiate. Now see some more type of differentiation. See next question.